Which drill bit sharpener actually works? Simple question, but the answer is everyone claims to restore dull bits in seconds, works on all materials, and costs less than your lunch. But which ones actually deliver? Today, we're cutting through the noise. Product number 1, BUXUNA Electric Sharpener. First up, the BUXUNA Drill Bit Sharpener at $17.97. This little guy caught my eye because it's powered by your existing electric drill, no separate motor needed. It's compact, lightweight at just 6.7 ounces, and claims to sharpen bits from 5/64 to 5/8 in as little as 5 seconds. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The diamond grinding wheel won't wear down easily, and the nylon shell keeps heat low so your bits don't lose their tempering. That means longer-lasting sharpness and fewer ruined bits. It works on HSS, carbide, cobalt, and even kitchen cutters, so it's not just for drills. Over 600 sold last month shows people are giving it a shot, even with no reviews yet. Now some people might worry about precision since it relies on your drill's stability. And honestly, if your drill wobbles, your sharpening angle might too. But for casual DIYers or weekend warriors, that's usually not a deal breaker, just hold it steady. The bottom plate helps with stability, and the dual grinding wheels let you do 2 bits at once, which is a nice touch. This is perfect for you if you already own an electric drill and want a cheap, no-frills sharpener for home use. Skip this one if you need ultra-precise angles or work with expensive carbide bits daily. For under $20, it's a solid value. Product number 2, ASUSARA Grinder Attachment. Now, if the BUXUNA's reliance on your drill made you nervous, this next one takes a completely different approach. The ASUSARA Sharpener at $12.83 turns your 125mm angle grinder into a precision sharpening station. It's a handheld fixture, not a standalone tool, which means you're using real grinding power with 3D accuracy. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It sharpens bits from 2 to 13, that's tiny precision bits up to ½ an inch, and does it in just 5 seconds with a consistent 118-degree angle. The diamond grinding discs and calibrated flutes ensure clean, repeatable results. It works on HSS, carbide, masonry, and cobalt bits, so whether you're drilling wood, metal, or concrete, this handles it. Over 500 sold in a month with 0 reviews. That tells me people are trying it quietly. The flaw? It's made of 3D printed material. Now, some people complained about durability, worried it might crack under pressure. Here's the thing though, for occasional use it's plenty strong, but if you're sharpening dozens of bits a day, this might not last. Still, for the price and function, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you already own an angle grinder and want maximum control and speed. Skip this one if you don't have a grinder or need something fully standalone. At under $13, it's a steal for what it does. Product number 3, Drill Doctor DD750X. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious users. The Drill Doctor DD750X, no price listed, but expect to pay over $100, is a professional-grade sharpener that handles bits from 332 to 34. This isn't a toy. It's built in Oregon with a 3-year warranty and designed for precision. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It doesn't just sharpen, it also splits the tip to reduce wear and improve cutting performance. You can adjust the angle from 115 to 140 degrees, so whether you're drilling softwood or hardened steel, you get the exact edge you need. It works on steel, masonry, carbide, and cobalt bits, and even fixes broken ones. Over 1,000 sold last month shows pros and serious hobbyists trust it. The flaw. And bulky, over 11 inches long and nearly 6 pounds. Some users said it takes a bit of practice to master the technique. Here's the thing though, if you go through dozens of bits a month, the cost per sharpened bit drops fast. This pays for itself over time. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor, machinist, or DIYer who values precision and longevity. Skip this one if you only sharpen a few bits a year. But for the performance, it's worth every penny. Product number 4, MDPSDS Home Sharpener. Now, if the Drill Doctor's price made you flinch, this next one offers standalone power at a mid-range cost. The MDPSDS Sharpener at $51.35 is a plug-in machine designed for home use. It handles bits from 1/8 to 1532 and sharpens them in under 10 seconds with a fixed 130-degree angle. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's beginner-friendly. No external drill or grinder needed, just plug it in, hold the bit, and let the positioning plate guide the angle. The non-slip base and one-touch switch make it safe and easy, even if you've never sharpened a bit before. It works on high-speed steel, carbide, and hardened steel and comes with replacement grinding wheels, which is a huge plus. The flaw, it's limited to 130 degrees, no angle adjustment. Some users wanted more flexibility for specialty bits. Here's the thing though, most standard drill bits are 118 or 130 degrees, so unless you're doing exotic drilling, this covers 90% of use cases. This is perfect for you if you want a dedicated, easy-to-use sharpener without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need adjustable angles or work with oversized bits. At $50, it's a great middle ground. Product number 5, MIUXLLEY Multi-Purpose Sharpener. Finally, the MIUXLLEY Sharpener at $19.25. This one stands out because it comes with 4 replacement diamond grinding wheels, so you're set for the long haul. It's compact, powered by your electric drill, and works on bits from 0.08 to 0.63. It sharpens not just drill bits but also scissors, cutters, and flat tools, making it a true multi-purpose tool. The bottom plate adds stability and the whole thing fits in a toolbox. Over 200 sold last month shows it's gaining traction. The flaw? It's still dependent on your drill's motor and alignment. If your drill isn't straight, your sharpening won't be either. Some users noted it takes a steady hand. Here's the thing though, for under $20 with 4 extra wheels, it's one of the best values here. This is perfect for you if you want versatility and spare parts included. Skip this one if you need industrial-grade precision. For the price and extras, it's a smart buy. So which one should you get? The BUXUNA is great for tight budgets, the ASUSARA turns your grinder into a sharpener, the Drill Doctor is pro-grade, the MDPSDS is perfect for beginners, and the MIUXLLEY gives you extras for the price. Each has its place. Pick the one that matches your tools, skill level, and how often you drill. Thanks for watching and keep those bits sharp.